Here you are again! Use the staircase catapult to launch Red into the air and race after the piggy, who is speeding off in the Piggy Trike with the eggs. Help him take the eggs out of the Trike's box in this hilarious set, which also features Matilda's house to help Red relax, and a spinning Billy the sign, based on the Angry BirdsTM movie. Includes three figures, Red, Matilda, and Biker Pig. Island Egg Heist features Matilda's house with a staircase catapult and easel, plus a branch, plant, flower elements in the Piggy Trike. Piggy Trike features a giant front wheel, 2 balloons and a box at the rear for eggs. Accessory elements include spinning Billy the sign, 4 eggs and 2 bird nests.